Alright guys, so today we are unboxing the Nitro Deck from Cracked. Now, as you guys can see, I don't know what happened in shipping. Well, I guess they make a hole here for some reason. But this is the box. As you guys can see at the bottom of the box, we have the Nitro Deck, which we'll be getting. This is actually a pre-ordered box. I pre-ordered the mint edition, the mint version of the Nitro Deck. Now, what comes in the box? It comes with all effect sticks. It comes in with a built for comfort, I guess, low latency, remappable back buttons, swappable thumbsticks, and a motion and vibration support. So this is just the all what's in the back. It tells you have on this side. I don't know if you guys are seeing on the upside. This side has some other information, which is their social media handle and stuff forth. Then it has the Nitro Deck Nitro Deck limited edition there on the box there, and then it has it there with the limited mint green version on this side. So let's go and open it, and let me see if I can find a way to open this. I think you slide it out. There we go. So I already took this off. Slide it to the side there. Now this is the main product. Let's go and open it. Open from the top, and there we are greeted with there's also a QR code here that you can scan with my phone. I will show you that in a little bit, but this is the main body of everything. This is the case for the Nitro Deck, which I am really happy to have now because I didn't have a case for my Switch. So this will be a nice addition to putting this in, put my Switch into this and have it slot into this, and being able to do some, store my deck into this, pretty much my Switch into this, like forever, not taking it out after this. So let's put this off to the side. But before we put this off to the side, I guess we have another box here which has some other stuff, which I guess has the straps here. So that's everything in the box, and that's it. Sticks. So let's put everything to the side, and then we go for the main event. Now the zips are here. And here we go. The mint edition. Let me feel the sticks. Oh, I popped the stick off. All right. I didn't know the sticks were that easy to come off. So now it comes with the welcome to the Crack family. Let's put that off to the side, and then it has these booklets, and then it has remove before use, retriever variant, or I think that's Spanish. Before attaching the Switch, open the console settings and turn on the wired connection, for the Switch. So it gives you this instructions there, but before I even look at those, these feel so good. These feel actually really good. The thumbsticks feel really nice. Program button. We have the Nitro Deck symbol button there. Let's focus right there. And then we have on the back, we have those 4 paddles. I can't wait to use these. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. These feel really good. They don't have like a deep travel. It's just like a one tap type function buttons. Then these are so loud, and then these go really deep. These are really deep. I like these. I love the triggers. Sorry. I love the triggers. They feel good in the hand. As of the body itself, it is plastic. It's hard plastic. It has no nice finish. I mean, it's smooth, but it doesn't have anything textured on it. So, I mean, that prevents it from, being like gets melty or get destroyed after a time. So that's a good thing in a way. And then there's screws here. There's an input and output here, which is these USB ports. I don't know if you guys can see. And then we have this kickstand. You just pop it out, and then let me move this for a second, and then you can just slide it down. You can play your switch this way, and then you can just put it back down. It has some resistance, so it does take time to put down. Now, I'm glad it has some things here that can stick down. I know when I saw my first unboxing of this, I saw people saying you couldn't get flush with the build. So I'm guessing they did change this prior, which I don't know if they did, but I'm glad they fixed that. And then we have the plus and minus buttons. The buttons feel nice. Analogs feels great. I love it so far. And then we have the USB port there. I'm liking it, guys. I'm super liking it. Loving everything so far. I'm gonna get my switch in a little bit, and then we slot this in there and have a look at it. But let's go to the rest of the package. Now, this case feels really hard. It's a really hard case. I'm confident this will protect my switch and the Nitro Deck together. And then it comes with so guys, my camera died for some reason. I don't know what happened, but we were talking about these extra accessories. We have some thumbsticks here, and then we have this cable that I think is for connecting to a TV or to the dock itself. So I think that's everything. Now, for the main event, we'll be showing you how to remove some of these thumbsticks. With what Nitro Deck said, you had to just turn it. Let me see if I have to. Yes, you just turn, and you can flip those off, and then put the other ones on. Just slot them on, and that's pretty much it. I like these better than these ones, I ain't gonna lie. And then for these ones, you can just slot those off, and then switch them with these other ones. These other ones have some grip things on them. These other ones, the only ones, don't come with the same grip. It comes with like a circular grip. And then this one, it's not bad for the grip. It's good. I like that. The last thing we'll be doing is removing this piece of paper and then putting the switch in there. This paper does tell you need to go into the settings and turn on the wired controller for this to work with the Nitro Deck. So let's rip that out there. I'm impatient at this point. It feels smooth, doesn't have any, this slightly has a texture here. You can see like a little design there. But let's get the switch slotted into there. Oh, did it wrong. Slide it in there. Let's see. Oh, there we go. It's now slided in. And there you have it. It looks really nice. Now, I was trying this not too long ago to flip the deck out, the thing out, but it wouldn't come out for some reason. I don't know if it's just my unit, but I saw on their team, they flicked it and it just popped it out, but mine doesn't do that. I have to literally prop it up, which I don't know why the thing won't work, but probably gonna have to reach out to them and ask them why that's not working, but whatever. We have it now and it looks good. I was currently playing some Dragon Ball Z, so you can see it is working marvelously. You can program these buttons on the back if you like by just holding the programmable buttons. I will do that soon. Let me move this out of the way. But I need to get a little microfiber cloth. But this is just what I wanted to test out. I really wanted to try these D-pads out because I've been dying to have a proper style D-pad. This goes to ohm, and then plus the whole works. Everything works perfectly. I wanted to have Hall effect sticks for like a long time. So when I saw this perfect device, I wanted to get it. Now, if you have the game hooked up in there, you can see some light bleed here. I don't know if you guys are seeing. I'll turn my light down first. Well, like, yes, you can see the light bleed there with this version, the mint version. You can see the light bleed through this part of the case. I don't know if it's for every other Nitro deck, but it does show that part. So something to note when buying this. Other from that, they do have this RFID chip or NSC chip that you can scan with your phone or just touch with your phone with the app to basically get your serial number and everything and set up. I haven't done that yet, so I just wanted to get into the product and actually feel how this thing feels. I'm just gonna do a little fight with. Oh, let me go. Wait. I got like 16 more tries. Let's do this actual fight and just see how this works. I've been dying to play this game with this because I've played this game so much times and I wanted to just have something to play this game with. So the Nitro deck, I just hope it's like a really good thing I can use. Like for my grip, I can touch these back buttons really nice. They just flush right into you. Let's see. Yeah, it works. It works perfectly. This full size D-pad now is the best thing ever. Triggers work. Oh my gosh. These are the best now. And I can use the back buttons. So it's my favorite thing right now. So I love this. I love this. I really love this. I'm gonna switch up everything though. Pretty much gonna switch every single button to my own liking as I get the chance to. So I just want to just test this out to show you guys this does actually work, and it works flawlessly. You can see, boom, 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 and then let's do my full transform into Gold Frieza. There we go. There we go, guys. Like it's so good. It feels so good. I know I'm repeating myself, but I can't just, just fathom how good this product is. I know there's a lot of you guys who are saying Switch 2 is upon us, but I don't care. Switch 2 can come. I love this product, and this definitely is gonna be my product to enjoy. Even though I have a Switch 2, this Switch version will still be a game I play regardless. Now that I have this Nitro deck, even though it came so late in its life cycle with the Switch 2, I hope they make a new one, or just hope this works with the Switch 2. Hopefully, but I don't know. It might not, but that's pretty much it for today's video. I just wanted to do the unboxing of this amazing product and show you guys that it is a good product. It works well, and I'll be having a full review of all the features and what you can do, how to program everything, and just give you my full thoughts on using it for a couple of days, and then giving you my full synopsis of everything. Sorry this unboxing was so long. I just wanted to give you my whole thought process of this product, and then we'll go from there in the next couple of days. But all right, that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. I'm sorry I didn't do a face-to-face style video with me talking to the camera, but I currently not in a good space where I can do that at the moment. So just have to bear with this style for now. But I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing and giving my thoughts on this top-down shot. Anyways, but that's it. See you guys. Peace.